subscribe to our channel.
Ringing in your ears, how to reduce it with your diet. Foods that will help reduce that ringing in your ears. 1. Pineapple. Pineapple is the best anti-inflammatory fruit that you can find. This is because it contains an outstanding enzyme, Bromelain. Bromelain is so effective that it's currently being used to treat and reduce inflammation associated with tendonitis, sprains, minor muscle injuries, and sore throat and ears. If ringing in your ears has become a daily enemy, don't hesitate. Eat some fresh pineapple every day. 2. Garlic and onions. Both onions and garlic help reduce the presence of infection. It's a good idea to add them raw to your salads and other dishes, in small quantities. Furthermore, their antibacterial and antifungal properties can also help strengthen your immune system. 3. Cranberries. If you maintain a diet that's low in sodium, it will reduce your blood pressure, and with it, the intensity of that ringing in your ears will go down. If fresh cranberries are available where you live, your health will definitely notice. This small and delicious superfood is rich in antioxidants, has no sodium, and is high in potassium, calcium, and magnesium. All of these nutrients help reduce inflammation, alleviate pain, and care for your heart. If you decide to make natural cranberry juice, it will also help fight anxiety and nervousness. 4. Wheat germ. You can find wheat germ in natural stores or in the specialty foods section of your grocery store. Among its excellent nutrients is vitamin F. Vitamin F is linoleic acid, which allows your body to balance multiple functions. It regulates the function of your liver and the assimilation of fats and sugars, while lowering blood pressure. In addition to that, the high content of B vitamins in wheat germ help improve your nerve impulses. This fantastic group of nutrients helps regulate your nervous system and the neurotransmitters that can reduce anxiety. Try adding a tablespoon of wheat germ to your smoothies or yogurt. 5. Chamomile. Drink a cup of chamomile tea an hour before bedtime and see how much better the quality of your sleep is. A common complaint is that the ringing and buzzing sounds intensify at night. Aside from taking care of your diet and following the advice of your doctor, try to engage in relaxing activities to prevent this problem from getting worse. Take hot showers, do some yoga, get some gentle exercise, all of this will help. It's ideal to do it 2 hours before going to bed. Then, after a light dinner, drink your chamomile tea. Of all the natural beverages you can choose to treat ringing in the ears, this is without a doubt the best one. To conclude, if you're suffering from ringing in the ears, first check with your doctor. Follow the treatment that they prescribe and do everything you can to lead a healthier lifestyle. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.